lived in an apartment in Stillwater, and she was working, and so I took a drive one day and drove up Highway 95, and there's a for sale sign sitting up on the highway. This house was for sale. And so that's how we ended up here.
I don't think about the future a whole lot. As far as, you know, what's it going to be like? How long is he going to be in this earlier stage? How long before this and how long before that? I just want to enjoy every minute. And someone did mention we're in our honeymoon period now, and I agree with them.
Well, I think we're closer than ever. Yeah, I think we are closer than ever now. I've always said she's my best friend, because that's the kind of relationship we had. And that certainly is true now. Yeah. I just know life is going to change, and we don't know how much more it's going to change or when, but we're ready, we're dealing with it together.
We did go in November, and he was formally diagnosed the very first part of December. And we knew, we had figured it out. I think the time when I fell apart was when I first realized it on my own. And ever since then, I've just, I have to handle it.
Every 68 seconds, someone in America develops Alzheimer's. A diagnosis can leave people fearful and confused about what to do next. Most healthcare systems don't provide the type of education and support families need. Even when doctors tell people to call the Alzheimer's Association, many wait years to do so.
Bleak and rather dark and gray, if we'll go with colors. Until we found out about the Alzheimer's Association in the months before we went to David Tuller, it was tough. I did not know where to go.
A colleague of mine once was asked, how we address the issues of long-term planning and the psychosocial approach to treatment of Alzheimer's, and how do you get the time to talk about advanced directives and medical powers of attorney and legal powers of attorney and adult daycare, and then I said, I need to clarify something. I don't do amazing work. I fill out this paperwork and fax it to the Alzheimer's Association to address all those issues, and that's through the Direct Connect program.
With the Alzheimer's Association's Direct Connect program, doctors refer patients to the Alzheimer's Association at the time of diagnosis. An association care consultant calls the family within 2 weeks to help them understand the disease and how to live well with it.
Everything is helped through the Alzheimer's Association. They have all the answers. So the sooner you do that, then you get to spend that time with your loved one.
It's important for a lot of reasons. First thing of all, so you understand yourself, what you're dealing with, and also so that other people understand what you're dealing with.
The first person I was in touch with at the Alzheimer's Association was Alyssa, and she was so helpful. I must be in her, her special calling list. That's how you feel. And after not having a connection with someone, Alyssa just came through.
Through Direct Connect, families facing dementia receive the support they need when they need it.
When we wait till we really need to do something, it's a lot harder to do anything. But more important than that is the ability of early intervention, early planning to do away with the crisis that could happen in 5 years or 10 years. That's the burden of Alzheimer's, is the crisis, usually due to lack of planning, lack of preparation, lack of education.
It's so important because we get to spend a nice part of our life together doing the things that help Alzheimer's.
My personal view is Alzheimer's disease is something that people can live with and live quite well with. it is a devastating disease in many ways. But I see a lot of hope with it. I see a lot of life that comes after that diagnosis.
I'm optimistic. I feel good about the future. I know for a lot of different reasons. It's not just for Alzheimer's, but for a lot of things.
We're happy people. We don't have to go find it, it's here. And I'm so glad that I can say that.
Please help us light the way by supporting Direct Connect.